The reason it's so important for us to communicate with everyone involved is so everyone has the same information. And what it's about is, I know it's a cliche word, but accountability. And accountability in recovery is key. And so many times in my personal recovery, before I got into recovery, I was a very crafty liar, basically. I would tell you what you wanted to hear, so then I would get you off my back, okay? So what we do is we bring that wealth of experience in our own disease into the monitoring program. And how we do that is the biggest piece is because of the communication and what I call triangulation of communication, we're verifying that Timmy, say Timmy has a therapy appointment. We're calling the therapist. We know when the therapy appointment is. We're verifying with the therapist that Timmy showed up. We're communicating with the sponsor. Timmy tells us that he's doing a 4-step. We call the sponsor, and the sponsor says, well, I haven't seen Timmy. I haven't heard from Timmy in 2 weeks. So then we get to bring that information to Timmy and say, Timmy, did you meet with your sponsor? Oh, yeah, we're on the 4-step. Let me bring something to your attention, Tim. I talked to your sponsor, Sam. Sam tells me he hadn't heard from you in a couple weeks. Oh, yeah, well, yeah. Timmy, the most important thing in recovery is honesty. And it takes time for some of these addicts and alcoholics, and when I say them, I'm also talking about myself. It takes time for us to buy into the fact that honesty is the best way, and we burn up a lot of energy when we protect that dishonesty, and that's what the communication is about. And we don't just take for granted that mom and dad are married. We don't take for granted that mom and dad communicate perfectly together. So we're informing mom and dad of the same situations that we pick up on with their son or daughter. So everyone has the same information, and all of us together help the loved one recover.